In a previous video, we discussed about A330. Now let us start off with A340 in this video. Basically, the Airbus A340 is a long-range, wide-body passenger airline. The shortest A340-200 measures 59.39 meter and could cover 12,400 kilometers with 220 to 250 seats in third class. The most common A340-300 reached 63.7 meter to accommodate 250 to 290 passengers and had a 13,500 kilometers range. The A340-500 is 67.9 meters long to seat about 270 to 310 over 16,670 kilometers and the longest range airliner at the time. The longest A340-600 was stretched to 74.77 meters and then the longest airliner to accommodate 320 to 370 passengers over 14,500 kilometers. As you can see in the specifications, the wingspan, area and aspect ratio for A340-200 and A340-300 is the same, and the span, area and the aspect ratio for A340-500 and A340-600 is the same. Again, these are few of the links that are corresponding to the ATA chapters and the topics mentioned. You can click and refer to them. By this, we come to the end of A340. Let us move on to A350 in the next video.